So I have here a steel storage can. It's not super thick, but it is made out of steel. Pretty robust can. So I'm just going to take the lid off. It's empty right now. I'm just going to put in a small amount of water from the tap into the bottom. That should be plenty, like that. And then I'll just rest the lid on loosely like that, intentionally leaving a gap. Next, I'm going to put this can on the hot plate to get the water hot and get it up to the boiling point. Maybe I'll turn this up a little bit to speed it, but it's going to take quite a while, so I'll come back as soon as it's ready. Okay, so this has come to the boil now, so I'm going to take it off the hot plate and quickly screw the cap on. So right now it's all filled. There's just a little bit of water in the bottom. The rest is filled with steam. And so I'm going to screw the cap on, and then we'll allow it to start cooling. And as it cools, that steam is going to condense into water. And so the pressure inside is going to go way down. There'll be probably only about 1/10 of an atmosphere inside the can. And so we'll be able to observe the effects of the pressure from the 1 atmosphere of air outside of it pressing in on the sides of the can. So it's kind of hot. I'm going to get something to grab that with. I got to try to screw it down while it's still boiling, but obviously I don't want it to explode. So let's see what I can do here. Screw that on good and tight. Turn off the hot plate. It's good and tight. And now we wait. You can already see the sides of the can starting to buckle here as the water vapor condenses and the pressure inside goes down. I'm going to speed this up a little bit at some point. Oh, look at this. See how that's being squeezed in over there? There it goes. I'm going to come around to this side so you can see. Maybe this is a somewhat better view. This is beautiful. I'm not going to speed this up. It's just great to watch this in real time. Just getting crunched in, all the air pressure pushing in against the sides of that steel can. That's probably about as far as it's going to go. Oh, a little bit more. But it gets to the point where the two sides are touching here because it got sucked in so much, and then that creates a much stronger structure, and it's hard to get crushed a lot more. It's still getting a little smaller, a little bit more crushed. All right, I think it's about done, so I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tour around this piece of art that we have made.